So when his father goes up to bed, this is what happens. On the couch. On me. Snoring. And louder. Keep a deviated septum. For real? This is just a wrong radiating heat. Oh, I'm sorry, did I disturb you? Apparently not. I'm tired. He's snoring loud. I'd like to go to bed. It's on my hand. Oh my goodness. Can I move? Oh, my leg hurts. Alright, as long as you're comfortable, I will just sit here slumped in a corner. But he's cute, right? That's what you're all gonna say. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh. What? What do you see? Oh, okay. Great. Oh, my arm is free. Oh. Yes. Oh. Look at the marks. Sheesh. In an hour, someone will be officially 1 year and 7 months old. Oh, I'm free. I'm free. I can get up. Oh, yes. I can sit up. Okay. Are you gonna lay down? Were you tired? Okay. Do you wanna go to bed? And go up in bed? Can we go to bed now? Can we go to bed now? Can we go to bed? Can we go to bed? Okay. Say goodnight. Hey Google, turn on the blue room light.
You got it. Turning the blue room light on.
Too many lights. Hey Google, turn off the blue room light.
You got it. Turning the blue room light off.
Okay. Night.